SpaceX's goal is to make humanity a multi-planetary species, starting with Mars. To achieve this, they've built Starship, the largest, most powerful rocket ever designed. At its core is the Raptor engine, a breakthrough in rocket technology. Raptor isn't just another engine, it's the key to making Mars travel possible. It uses liquid methane and oxygen, fuels that can be produced on Mars for return trips. This means Starship can refuel on Mars, making round trips feasible. Each launch uses 39 Raptor engines. 33 on the booster, 6 on the ship. Coordinating so many engines is a massive engineering challenge. SpaceX is building Raptors at a scale never seen before in rocketry. Starship's reusability depends on Raptor's reliability and low cost. Unlike old engines, Raptors are designed for rapid reuse. If SpaceX succeeds, launching satellites, building space stations, and traveling to the Moon or Mars could become routine and affordable. The Raptor engine is central to SpaceX's vision for the future. It's not just about reaching Mars, it's about staying, returning, and opening space to everyone. The future of space travel hinges on the success of this engine. With Raptor, SpaceX aims to make space accessible, not just for governments but for all of humanity. The journey starts with a single engine, but the ambition is limitless. The Raptor is the engine of ambition, driving us toward the stars. Building Raptor has been a financial and technical mountain for SpaceX. Early on, each engine cost over $2 million, far too much for mass production. With 39 engines per Starship, costs quickly became unsustainable. Elon Musk warned that high Raptor costs threatened the entire company. The goal slashed the price to $250,000 per engine, a 90% reduction. Achieving this was essential for Starship's economic viability. The complexity of Raptor's design made manufacturing slow and expensive. Early engines were hand-built with frequent failures and costly fixes. SpaceX faced intense pressure to build faster and cheaper without sacrificing reliability. Musk was candid about the crisis, pushing the team to solve these challenges or risk bankruptcy. The Raptor's complexity, especially its full-flow staged combustion cycle, made it far harder to produce than previous engines. The future of SpaceX, and affordable space travel, depended on solving these problems. The Raptor team's mission: make the impossible possible. Their success would determine if Mars was within reach. SpaceX's answer was relentless innovation. They embraced iterative design: build, test, break, improve. Engineers simplified Raptor, removing hundreds of parts and streamlining assembly. Production moved in-house, giving SpaceX control over quality and cost. Automation and robotics sped up manufacturing and improved consistency. The goal: a true rocket engine assembly line, unprecedented in aerospace. Results followed, production rates soared, and costs dropped closer to the $250,000 target. Each new Raptor version became cheaper, more powerful, and more reliable. The engine's performance improved with every iteration, crucial for reusability. SpaceX's willingness to fail fast and learn quickly set them apart. The drive for efficiency wasn't just about saving money, it was about making spaceflight routine. Raptor's evolution is a masterclass in rapid engineering progress. By constantly improving, SpaceX is redefining what's possible in rocketry. The relentless pursuit of efficiency is turning the dream of affordable space travel into reality. Raptor's cost revolution stands out in the rocket world. NASA's RS-25 engines cost over $100 million each. Blue Origin's B4 is estimated at $15, $20 million. SpaceX's $250,000 target is a game-changer, hundreds of times cheaper than legacy engines. This cost breakthrough makes Mars missions and frequent launches possible. Cheaper engines mean cheaper rockets, opening space to more than just governments. Science, business, and even ordinary people could access space. Raptor isn't just hardware, it's an economic tool reshaping our future. The journey was risky and expensive, but innovation paid off. SpaceX is on the verge of making space travel affordable and routine. Lowering launch costs is the key to humanity's future in space. The Raptor engine, once a financial risk, is now the engine that could take us to the stars. The new era of rocket economics has begun.